Now he's standing.
Well, that's good. He's standing. But why can't he give me his other leg then? You want them both down? There. There. What do you think? Huh?
Can you give his arm back? The right arm? Yeah.
Huh?
Let him figure it out. He'll do it.
Wow, Giacomo.
Turn the whole lights on better.
Wow.
Now he'll be a silhouette. That's not
He's
good.
got a silhouette.
I don't think.
Oh my goodness, look at you.
Can I pull this other hand up? Hey, look, Mom, no hands.
Wow, that tastes good.
Woo.
Oh my gosh, look at you.
Yeah, you're just going to walk in no time this way.
Wow, look at you. Oh my goodness. Yes. Good job, buddy.